So, I'm in Tata Digital from last 4 years, and the contact center which I'm heading right now is one of the contact center which has the Oppo. That's how we started the PMAPs. The interesting part was that we were actually just we were checking many organizations where which can help us identify the best candidates. But the best part of PMAPs was this, it was very much customized, the way which we want. So in short, for us, we are into the servicing sector, right, of the customer best giving service. Hence, we needed a best agents. So earlier, it was just an interview session, and it was like, ha, theek hai, chalo, just read this line and go off. But right now, thanks to the PMAPs and as per the given our records, as per the given our records, or maybe the requirement came customized. That was the best part. So today, if I want a specific paragraph to be read, or maybe a paragraph email to be read, it is customized. And also the best part about it is that whenever I want any kind of a report of any specific candidate, how much the person has scored, maybe it could be like written or typing or anything, I'll get everything in detail. So that was the first part which came in, and it was a success because we got the best candidate. And that's how we also did with our another contact center. So yes, till now it has been really great, and I hope, and I you have added many more features which we will explore more now going forward. So the best part about here is like whenever the candidate comes in, let me just start from the starting. The candidate comes in, we have this requirement. So right now, like it's all about the communication for our customers. So we want the communication has to be good, the listening or the reading skills. So PMAX has actually given us the right platform where the agents has been able to read within the time frame. So there is also a time period where you have to complete it, right? So that's where the first part which has helped me a lot. Other than that, as I mentioned, there are so many reports which I can have in detail. How much has the person? Oh, the best part is that whether it's suspicious or not. So I can actually recheck on that. Okay, if I see it's suspicious, okay, I need to re-interview this person again. So in that way, yes, it has helped me a lot. Other than this email customization, I think the typing test and everything has given us very well. The best part is about the suspicious or not. Any agent, it might be technical issue, whatever it is, but at least I know, okay, this is, see, system cannot lie, right? Humans
Right.
can also still like take a, as a humanity, okay, let's give him a chance. But right now, for me, is the best service for our customers. So yes, so wholly and heartily, I will say I trust PMAPs more now because looking at the best candidates today in the market, which we have. So yes, so that's the best part. Well, sir, you know very well that I'm going to rate your team 10 out of 10 because be it
Wow.
10 p.m. in the night or morning 7 a.m. in the night, your team is always available. So that's the best part. And I think today, in today's market, nobody has given us that's the best thing because they have always thought us as one family, right? Because, okay, this is what the client needs us, let us do it together. So today, like the day before yesterday, I had some issue with the reports or maybe some tokens, but your team is excellent because they have always been there to help. So yes, it's a wholeheartedly 10 out of 10. So in the market, if see, I have been looking many other brands right now. So you have been, exceeding our expectations, right? So I'll still give 9.5 because if I give 10 out of 10, there'll be
I know.
no hope of improvement or anything. So I'll give 9.5.
So,
And as I said, uh, you are doing a lot because where whatever requirements I give, let's change this. Example, few days back, you suggested me something about the coding or maybe some domain factor which I was not aware of. So there is so much of learning within this platform. So yes, I would give 9.5 out of 10. Absolutely. So PMAPS has been a great partner with us. We have been together from last almost been 2 years from now, and we have got the best candidates. best agents where my customers are happy. Now, how my customers happy? It's because of PMAPs and because I'm getting the very good agents, right? So for me, PMAPs always comes forward before even thinking or selecting any candidate. That's how we start with the interview process. So for us, PMAPs comes first. Okay, you are selected. Let's start with the interview. So yes, I mean, if I close my eyes and ask someone to do it, please close your eyes and go forward. There, you'll see a lot of benefit out of it.